Hello friends, welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb. Okay, we are going to start with 1 jar of whatever your favorite pasta sauce is. Just dump that right into the crock pot. And then I have a pound of ground beef. We are going to, yeah, I didn't think that was going to work. There we go, a little bit anyway. All right, we are going to cook that up. And then we're going to drain the grease after we cook that. Okay, now our hamburger is done. Drained all the grease out of it. Then what you're going to do too is put in some onions. I have 1 onion here. I have 1 can of diced tomatoes. We also want to put in some carton of beef broth. Okay, and I just like to eyeball things, just easier. I'm going to go ahead and put some Italian seasoning. That looks good. And then I'll taste it later and see if it needs more. We're going to put this on high for 2.5 hours, but we're going to come back in 2 hours and put the noodles in for 30 minutes, and that'll equal 2.5 hours. Okay, and now I have already put a few of these in there, but I do have my lasagna noodles that I have been breaking up inside of my crock pot. And just, however size that you like. I kind of like them a little smaller, but you could have them that big if you want. So after we get done doing this, we're going to put the lid back on it, and then we're going to go for another 30 minutes, and then our meal will be done. Okay, let's go ahead and give that a nice stir. Okay, I'll be back in 30 minutes, friends. Ooh. Okay. Give that a stir. And scoop some into my bowl. Throw some mozzarella. And you may want to add maybe some garlic bread with that. Get some meat. Oh, it's just piping hot. Sorry that took a while to taste because it was hot. So I really like this. It was simple. It was easy. And it was budget friendly. Okay, that's what I really liked about it. Okay, friends, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more budget friendly meals, please subscribe. And always, friends, keep cooking. And I love you all.